All right. Good morning. Good morning. How are we doing, everyone? It is Wednesday, April 2nd. We're taking a look at NASDAQ. As always, 19,350 back in focus. That was one of the main areas we were looking at during yesterday's stream. Price ultimately resolved higher, and we get a test up into 19,600. So, this red zone highlighted here on the chart, key pivot from the prior range, right? You see the test through there. Price trades higher, tests this prior area of support and rejects. Makes our main watch for this morning pretty simple. We want to see how price is going to be responded to 19,350. It's the primary watch, overnight low, currently 328. The index just pressing that overnight low this morning. In NASDAQ, pretty much all the indices just pressing that overnight low lower and lower. So NQ down through 350 right now. I'll be focused on that level as the primary level of interest for this morning. If we see some continued weakness below 350, a look at prior day low and the 19,250, but I would actually just be more interested in this area down here, down into the 19,100. So caution personally near the 250. Of course, that's through the lens of trading longs, focus on long setups. So we'll see how it looks here off the open, about 4 minutes. I do have all the tariff day chatter today. We do have a 10 a.m. print as well. So 10 a.m. data, 10 a.m. data, something to keep an eye on. And then any tape bombs related to trade, related to tariffs, breaking news, things of that nature. So let's see what we get this morning. Take a look at that prior day structure on the 5-minute RTH chart. So this is what we were looking at yesterday. So some of yesterday's drawings on there. You get the retest into some prior day structure. That would be Monday structure, right? Initial sell. Retest that area, this area right through here, and pretty much vertical. It's like how many consecutive green 5-minute bars in a row you have there, up through prior day high, and then just kind of a typical afternoon range there. Back into last week's low 411. That was a level we were talking about during yesterday's live stream. And then a rally into the close, retest the 600. Overnight action brings us somewhere into this area right through here. So within the prior day's range still. Backdrop is neutral bearish. And we've got the open in 2 minutes. Session volume point of control. It's technically up at 578, but you do have this high volume node right here at 380. And overnight low 325 right now. Got about 1 minute, a little less than 1 minute till the open. All right, 20 seconds till the open. We're looking at 19,350. We have a 10 a.m. data print. Overnight low just moving lower and lower into the open. There's the open. There's 19,350. Session volume point of control 377 for NASDAQ. So bouncing a 350, little bounce there that rejects. So retest into 350. Where's our VWAP? VWAP way up there, 480. You may want that RTH VWAP with a gap. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's a gap lower, still within the prior day's range though. So not a true gap for me personally. Three fifty stays as the level to watch. There's your new high of day. A little micro entry there. I missed it. Darn. Missed that one. Little 15-second entry right there. NQ into session volume point of control. 411 as just an upside reference point. You got it, Dom. Nice. Yeah, I tried, but didn't get the order out quick enough. NQ, there's 411. It's a nice 50 points there. All right, I can live vicariously through you guys. Nice work. It's a little micro higher low at the 350. Not visible on the 1 minute. Opening 5-minute bar closes here in 16 seconds. So far, starting the morning pretty bullish. Your next upside reference is VWAP. There's almost 100 points from 350. Nice move. Very nice move. NQ into VWAP. Next upside target if you're long from 350. Another good spot to reduce right there. There's 500 psychological level. Still cash personally. Missed that entry. I wanted at 350. So not going to chase it way up here. I'll tell you that. Prior day volume point of control 548. There's your first actual red 1-minute bar on this push. So if you're still trailing, you can lift your trail right beneath that area. Yeah, Benny. Little 15-second. Check the 15 seconds. Pretty clear there at 350. Just trailed. Nice. Wow, nice. Nice, nice. And Q bumping into the session high again. We didn't even see the shallow fib tested there. Not yet, anyway. So still cash personally. So that momentum's slowing a little bit. We'll see what this pullback ends up looking like. Only seen one setup so far. That was at the 350. Definitely tried to jump in, but a little too slow. Tad too slow for it. It's all right. NQ back into VWAP and that shallow fib right there. Friday volume point of control, the upside reference point. Looks like price, this momentum move slowing down a little bit at the value area high for this extended session. But the next upside level of interest is the 600 that we talked about before the open. NQ new high of day. Getting a little bit of lag with Tradovate this morning. This is kind of your first decent re-entry right there. Not bad. See if we can ride for 600 now. Got the trail in profit already. See if I could refresh Tradeovate really quick. Got a little bit of lag. Got in there, Steve. Nice. Dom, nice. Nice. Yeah, VWAP, little THT framework, shallow fib, pre 10 a.m. directional strength. Look at that trail just beneath 520. We're into prior day volume point of control. See if we could tag 600. Starting to get there. I'm going to lift the trail a little more. There's no structure. We're just beneath 540. Yeah, it's all right, Ray. You got the better move there. See if we get the new high. New high now. Again, we're looking for 600. I got trailed right there. That's all right. Take what we can get. Yeah, we're getting closer to that 600. So tighter trails definitely the move. So now with 10 till 10 a.m. and our proximity to 19600, I'm staying a little bit more patient here. Probably going to wait till post 10 a.m. NQ, new high of day. So you have another higher low there to raise your trail if you're still long from lower. Session volume point of control lifted to 570. I'm just staying patient. Like I said, not much to do right now. except for wait for 10 a.m. We have data in 5 minutes. NQ is up into that 600. So, like I had mentioned in the pre-market prep notes, if that 350 can hold, right, we'll be looking for 600. Pretty much played out exactly per plan. So now we just want to wait. Wait. So far, it's just been a one and done morning. The idea on that particular trade was we have the pre 10 a.m. directional strength from 350. So again, like I had mentioned, if 350 holds, we'll be looking for 600. So tried it at 350, was a little bit too slow. You get the momentum move. I don't chase those or buy highs, so we just wait for a little structure, a little pullback with decent location. You end up seeing it, the first decent one right here, shallow fib with VWAP right there. Is your long setup. You try and ride it for the 600. So that was the idea behind the trade. Now we just wait. Just wait. Patience. Patience pays. If you're at daily goal, you can put your desk in comfort mode. If not, sorry, your desk has to stay in sport mode. So we have current session volume point of control overlapped with Prior day volume point of control, 19,550. Let's get a refresh on our 5-minute RTH chart here. Yeah, this will definitely be a tough area for buyers. Pretty much all through here, just looking at the past few days. There's your data print. NQ, there's your new high of day. New high of day. Here comes 600, 19,600. True test. Prior day high. It's going to be your next upside reference point. Tested the shallow fib. Don't forget to cancel all your open orders so you don't find yourself in a short like I just did. That was a previous take profit order. Yeah, first day. First time trading. NQ's up and through 600. Prior day high 644, just overhead. Yeah, same, Benny. Staying patient here. We'll keep an eye on the 600 area, 19600. Yeah, this is what buyers are battling right here. If you got the 350 long and you got the VWAP long pre 10 a.m., I don't know what you're still doing here, to be honest. You can shut it down. You can enjoy your day. Wow, that's very nice of you guys. Canadians, always so friendly. They're so friendly. First warning. Oh boy. Look at that rejection there. Context. Context so important. Pretty nice little short from 600. Post 10 a.m. Yep. 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 Always. 38% fib incoming. Check out that 15-minute candle for the higher time frame enjoyers. Watch out for a trap given current context. You guys are probably long lost cousins, Steve and Ray, same last name. So a little hold there at VWAP back into session volume point of control. There's that type of trade you got to trail just so tightly. Personally, I just pass on it. Still just with the one trade on the morning. One and done, and then one small execution mistake. With a little floating order that was up there near 600. I either need action above the 600 or back down near 411, 350. Look at that, rolls right over. So if it breaks, this hammer low confirms the trap idea. Trapistan. You don't want to find yourself in Trapistan. Grab the scalp there, Ray. Nice. Very nice. It's just a waiting game for me now. Need that action up and through 620, which is current session high, and the prior day high. PDH prior day high. Des riding the long. Nice. We got a structure building out here. So far, that low at the 38% fib is held. So buyer's doing a better job than I had expected. This gets more interesting here up into 600 now. Let's take a look at the other indices. Russell and YM session highs. ES actually with the better setup there on this pullback. Anyone trade ES anymore? 5650 level of interest and VWAP right there. That's an A plus opportunity. Yeah, Nicole and Maureen trade that ES. Last I checked. I don't know if they're here today. I don't know if they're with us this morning. Yeah, Ray, that one was nice, huh? 5650. Full porter. Speaking of full porter, sadly I will not be here for Full Port Friday with NFP. This is the last live stream of the week. Be traveling tomorrow. Traveling Friday. Back with you all on Monday. Dave's still riding. Nice. ES, Dave? Or NASDAQ? NQ, Des and Dave and NQ. Nice. Volume kind of tapering down a little bit. It's 1 hour into the sesh. There we go. There's 600. Nice recovery, Des. Nicely done. So, like I had said, looking for some action above this area right through here, just based on the context. Got ES into session highs. That's your target from that 5650 setup. Nice, Dave. Nice, Des. Well done. Nice trade. Yeah, some good action this morning. Ray and Steve taking off. See you guys. Headed to the family reunion. Yeah, I'm going to give it another 5-10 minutes here, see if we get some action outside of this structure, and we'll call it a morning. And Q still just shy of that 600 here. Sellers unable to, on this recent push, unable to break below the VWAP, a 38% fib, which is actually pretty significant because based on this area of resistance, you would expect more strength from sellers there. So it tells us that maybe all the supply in this area is slowly being absorbed, would be the idea. That would be the thought process. Yeah, right back into 600. All right, we're getting into session highs now. Let's see, NASDAQ. There's your new high of day. So buyers showing their strength here. Let's see where we're at as far as this context coming into that prior day high. I think it's 640-ish, 644. Yeah, 644 prior day high. All right, toss a quick poll in the chat though. Let me know how the morning is. Red, green, flat. How we doing? How are we doing? So NQ, no sustained action above the 600. Still some weakness here near that key resistance zone. I think I'll call it a morning right there. I'm gonna keep an eye on this area. I like to see price up and through this area right there here, just again based on higher time frame context, or down into, like I said earlier, let's see here, like the 411, 350 area. I'm not going to be rushing into any action in this kind of in the middle of this area right through here personally. So that's the game plan. As a reminder, no live stream tomorrow or Friday. I'm going to be traveling. We're headed to Cozumel. So taking a little weekender for my fiance's birthday. And we will be back on Monday. Hope you guys had a good sesh. If you have any questions, send me a message, send me a DM in the Traders Think Tank. Otherwise, we'll see you on Monday. Have a great rest of your week. Trade well.